making dinner because the kitchen smells like food, so of course we get hungry. We'll take out a whole brick of it. Doesn't stand a chance. Gone in like 20 minutes. Then dinner comes. People want to know why we're not hungry. we've had a bottle of wine and a brick of cheese. Oh, I love my mommy. My kind of lady. There we go. Let's see if we're in the ballpark. Perfect. I think that's a good amount right there. Let's chop up our bacon. Oh, I love extra crispy bacon. Look, the knife barely has to touch it. It just all crumbles up. There we go. And we get a little bit of chives. Let's get the potatoes drained so we can start mashing and smashing. Right back into the hot pot they go. And let's get our buttermilk down in there. That's our liquid. We're going to mash them up with the buttermilk and salt and pepper, and then fold in all of our other toppings. There we go. Salt. Pepper. Okay, well, you see where we're going with this, guys. I'm going to mash these up, get my cheddar and my bacon and my chives down in there. I'll meet you right back here, and we'll make up some of those sloppy joes.